everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is everything I picked up at my first trip at CVS this week. This is the sales week of September 27th through October 3rd. There are so many freebies at CVS this week, so many good deals, money makers to cover transactions like the spend 30 get 10 that we hardly ever get for free. The Babble is such a good deal this week. I saw it on Clean Cut Couponing's channel. You buy one for $6.99, you get a $6 extra care buck, making the toilet paper 99 cents. I'm going to show you 5 different transactions in this video and tell you how much the final cost for everything is at the end. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just jump straight into it. So in my first transaction, I picked up the Sure, the Gillette, all of the Hallmark, and the toothpaste, all of this stuff. The Sure this week are priced at $2. You buy one for $2, you get a $2 extra care buck, making it free. I also picked up the Nivea. They are priced at $3.49 in my store. I picked up 2 for $6.98. I had a $2 off of 2 manufacturer coupon that brought my total down to $4.98, and I got a $5 extra care buck, making these a 2-cent moneymaker. Next item I picked up this week, Gillette disposable razors, men and women's. Select ones are on sale for $7.99, and when you buy 3, you get a $6 extra care buck. I picked up 3 for $23.97. I used a $5 off of 1 manufacturer coupon, $5 off of 1 manufacturer coupon. These were paper, and then CVS gave us a $5 digital coupon that I used on this one that took off $15. Then I had a $3 off of Gillette disposable CRT that printed for everybody last week at the Red Box. I had another $3 off of Gillette or Venus disposable CRT. Then I had another $3 off of 12 shave CRT. So that took off a total of $24, making these free, and I got a $6 extra care buck back. Hallmark, these aren't on any promotion, but I did have 2 $4 off of 6 Hallmark CRT, so I had a total of $8 off. I picked up 6 of these bows. These are priced at $129. And then I picked up the tissue for $1.99. I only intended to pick up 5 of the bows, and my total for 5 and the tissue paper would have been $8.44. But I picked up an extra one, so that brought my total to $9.72. I used the 2 $4 off of 6 CRTs that took off $8. That brought my total to $172. I didn't get anything back for these, but I do have a baby shower on Saturday, and I can use these both for Christmas or gifts throughout the year. Next items I picked up in the first transaction were these Crest toothpaste. Select Crest and Oral-B are buy 2 this week, get a $4 extra care buck. These were priced at $6.99 each. Brought my total to $13.98. I had a $4 off of Crest or Oral-B CRT, and then I had a digital $3 coupon for this Crest whitening therapy, and then I had a $3 digital for the Crest gum and sensitivity. That took off a total of $10. It brought my total to $3.98, and I got a $4 extra care buck, making this a 2-cent moneymaker. Taking a look at the receipt for the first transaction, there's the Sure on sale for $2, the Crest toothpaste on sale for $6.99, the Gillette razors, all 3 on sale for $7.99. The Nivea lip products were $3.49 each, and then here is the tissue paper at $1.99, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the Hallmark bows for $1.29 each. Here is the digital $5 off of 1 for the Gillette. The 2 $3 off for the Crest toothpaste. This is the $5 paper coupon for the razors, $5 paper coupon for the razors, $2 off of the 2 Nivea lip. The CRT does say $4 off of 6 Hallmark cards, but it does work on any Hallmark product. So there's the 4 off of 14 Crest or Oral-B, another 4 off of 6 Hallmark, $3 off of the razors, $3 off of 12 shave, and $3 off of Gillette Venus disposables. I wrote $10 in extra care bucks. My math was a little bit off because, like I said, I only intended to grab 5 of the bows, but I grabbed an extra one, so that pushed me up $1.29. And then I intended for the Nivea $1 digital coupon to glitch and come off, because it did glitch and come off of this one, but it didn't, so that added a total of $2.29 to my total, which I would have only paid a couple cents plus tax out of pocket, but my math was off, so I rolled the $10 extra care bucks. I paid $2.66 plus tax on my debit card, and I got back $6 for the Gillette. I got back $4 for the oral care. This is a Crest. I got back $2 for the Sure deodorant, and then I got back $5 for the Nivea, which is a total of 17 extra care bucks. Minus what I paid on my debit card, my first transaction was a moneymaker of $4.34. Next transaction, I did these items right here. I picked these up on my second account. I did the Eucerin deal. This week they are spend 20, get a $10 extra care buck. I picked up one at $9.59, and I picked up the other one for $10.49. That brought my total to $20.08. I used a $2.50 off of a 10 lotion CRT, and then I used a $2 off of 10 lotion CRT. My total is a little over $20, so I was able to use both CRTs. And then I used a $2 manufacturer printable coupon from coupons.com, and then I used a $2 digital coupon. That took off a total of $8.50. That brought my total down to $11.58 for the lotions, and I got back a $10 extra care buck. Next deal I did was the Nivea. These were priced at $3.49 again. Two brought me to $6.98. I used a $2 off of 2 manufacturer coupon, brought my total down to $4.98, and then the $1 digital coupon did glitch and come off of this one, so that brought my total down to $3.98. I got a $5 extra care buck, making these Nivea lips a $1.02 moneymaker. Next deal, same exact thing as the first transaction. These Crest Select Oral-B are buy two, get a $4 extra care buck. Both of these were $6.99, brought my total to $13.98. I used a $3 off of 1 gum sensitivity digital coupon, a $3 off of 1 whitening therapy digital coupon, and then the 4 off of 14 Crest or Oral-B CRT. I brought my total down to $3.98. I got a $4 extra care buck, making these a 2-cent moneymaker. Sure deodorant, same as the first transaction. These are on sale this week for $2, and you get a $2 extra care buck, making this free. Last deal I did on this transaction was the Venus and Gillette. Again, as in the first transaction, these are priced at $7.99. You buy 3, you get a $6 extra care buck. I didn't have the same CRTs that I had in the first transaction. I used a $5 off of 1 digital coupon, used a $5 off of 1 manufacturer paper coupon, $5 off of 1 manufacturer paper coupon, and then I only had the $3 off of disposable Gillette or Venus that printed out for everybody last week. So I only had $18 in coupons. That took off $18 from the $23.97. I paid $5.97, and I got back a $6 extra care buck. These were free and a 3-cent moneymaker. Looking at the receipt for the second transaction, there's the Sure on sale for $2, both of the Crest on sale for $6.99. The Gillette, all 3 on sale for $7.99. Nivea, they were both priced at $3.49. And then the Eucerin, one at $9.59 and one at $10.49. I did use the self-checkout for all of my transactions. I wanted to see how it worked. The self-checkout does take off your digital coupons before it takes off your manufacturer coupons. It took off the $5 digital coupon for the Gillette, the $1 for the Nivea lip, $3 for the Crest toothpaste, both of those, and then $2 digital for the Eucerin. My next one was a $2 printable for the Eucerin, the $5 for the Gillette, $5 for the Gillette or Venus, $2 for the Nivea lip. I did buy 2 products, so even though the $1 came off, the $2 still had another product to attach to. This $4.11 is a extra care buck. I did some returns last week, and the cashier didn't give me my return slip, so I had to clip my CRTs to my card. So that was what that $4.11 is. There's the $3 off of razors, the $4 off of 4 Crest Oral-B, $2.25 off of lotion, 2 off of 10 body lotion, and then I rolled $28.11 in extra care bucks. This one dropped down to $9.65. My total was $0. I did roll some extra care bucks, so I'm just going to show you up here what I got, because this is the first transaction that I did on this card for the week. I got $6 for the Gillette, I got $2 for the Sure, I got $5 for the Nivea, $4 for the crest, and $10 for the Eucerin. I rolled $28.11 and I got back $27 in extra care bucks, making this transaction $1.11. In my next transaction, I did the spend 30, get a $10 extra care buck, and then I had some CRTs for the Aveeno and the Beauty 360 wipes. That's why I got those. So I picked up a Tide Pods. This is a 21 count. This is on sale this week for $11.94. I used a $3 manufacturer coupon that brought my total for the pods to $8.94. The Tide Liquid this week is on sale for $5.94. I used a $2 manufacturer coupon that brought my total down to $3.94. The Dreft liquid detergent is on sale this week for $11.94. I had a $3 off of Dreft laundry CRT, so that's why I grabbed this. I do have a baby, and I did have a registry at Target, and they do give you like a bag full of coupons and samples and a bunch of stuff that you just have to go get from the store when you have a registry there. I had a $2 manufacturer coupon in the bag that I found and I used, so that took off $5, so that brought my total down to $6.94. I used a $4 off of 20 any purchase CRT that I got in this account this week, so my total was $29.84 for all three products. I had $10 in coupons, and then that $4 off of 20, that brought my total down to $15.82, and I got a $10 extra care buck. This Aveeno product is priced at $8.79 in my store. I had a $4 off of any Aveeno facial care CRT. I had a $3 off any Aveeno facial care CRT. So that took off $7, and it brought my total for this product down to $1.79. This is included in the promotion at CVS this week for when you spend $35 on certain products, you get a $15 extra care buck. I didn't do the whole deal because I wasn't able to come up with a scenario just yet, but this does put $8.79 towards that $35. I've been getting a lot of CRTs for Beauty 360 or CVS Health. This is priced at $6.99. I had a $2.50 off of Beauty 360 facial wipes, and then I had $1.50 off CVS Health or Beauty facial wipes, and then I had another $2 off of 6. That should have took off $6 and I would have paid 99 cents, but I can't find the $2 off of 6. It's not in my bag, it's not on the receipt, maybe I dropped it or lost it, so I ended up paying $2.99 for this. I didn't get anything back. I'm not sure whether I'm going to keep this or not for $2.99. I can just return it and use that money towards another deal. But I am going to include it in the video and tell you exactly what I paid for this transaction. Here's the receipt. There's the Dreft on sale for $11.94, the Tide $11.94, the smaller liquid for $5.94, the Aveeno was priced at $8.79, and the towelettes were priced at $6.99. Here's the $3 off of Tide Pods manufacturer coupon, $2 off of Dreft manufacturer coupon, $2 off of Tide liquid. There's a $3 off of Aveeno facial, $4 off of any Aveeno facial, $1.50 off CVS Health or Beauty 360, $2.50 off of $2.50 off of Beauty 360 facial, $4 off your $20 purchase, $3 off of the Dreft laundry CRT. I rolled $22 in extra care bucks. I did lose $1.40 because my math was off again, and then I got back a $10 extra care buck, making this transaction a $12 loss, which is okay. I do plan to go back this week and do some more beauty deals to help me get some beauty bucks to cover some of my loss in extra care bucks. My last two deals that I did, I saw this deal on Clean Cut Couponing's channel. It's the Babbo. This week they're priced at $6.99 on sale, and you do get a $6 extra care buck for buying one, making the final cost for $1.99. I did the deal on my account and my husband's account. I did have a problem because, like I said earlier in the video, I did go through the self-checkout. I used a, let me just show you the receipt. Yeah, right here. So $10.99 regular on sale for $6.99. I had a, what was it? Like a $3.20 CRT on my card that I used, because it asks you if you want to use the CRTs before you scan your coupons that are on your card. So I clicked yes, and then I was going to roll a $4 extra care buck. It should have eaten up the tax. I would have had to pay $0 like in the other receipt that I'll show you, but it wouldn't let me use the $4 because it said it was over the subtotal. So the cashier did come and just type it in as a 4, so it dropped my $3.20 down to $2.99, and then for some reason I had to pay tax on this one. So I just paid the 36 cents, and then I got the $6 extra care buck. Here's the receipt for the other one. As you can see here, again, $6.99. I wrote a $5 extra care buck and a $2 extra care buck. So this one was 0. I don't know why this other one was different than this one. So there's the $6 extra care buck for the toilet paper. For my second account, I started with $64 in extra care bucks. I'm down to $50 in extra care bucks. I took a loss of $14.47 with the cash out of pocket and my extra care bucks. I did have $42 in beauty that will come back as a $3 beauty buck for me, so that brings me down to a loss of $11.47. My first account, I started with $22 in extra care bucks. I am up to $28 in extra care bucks because the Gillette deal did give me $6 because these were free. Also at my first account, my first transaction was a $3.35 moneymaker. So taking away the $3.35 from the $11.47 that I lost brings me down to a final cost of $8.12 divided by 36 items is a final cost of 25 cents each. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching. I do plan to go back to CVS and do more deals. I wasn't able to grab everything that I wanted in my first trip. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.